Oh yeah, yeah. Gang. That 8. That is it, yeah. Sugar. Man, with the realest. She know about the shits on me. I keep that tool on me. Play with the realest, yeah.
Alright, welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It's your host with the most, and today I bring you a artist, songwriter from the UK, but by way of Maypen, Clarendon. So as a Clarendon man like myself, straight out of Clarendon, Jamaica, yeah? Tyrone Calvert Williams, most popularly known as Crossblood. You're about to see a video or listen to a complete song. But before we go there, I'm going to run through his bio real quick to give you an inside look at who we're dealing with or who we're talking about then. Alright, so this artist was born in Jamaica in Maypen Public Hospital on the 20th of April 1988 to his mother Audrey Pinnock and father Calvert Williams. But he later migrated to England at the age of 9 to the South London in the UK, where he spent many years after. The artist can remember, as he said, always having a passionate love for Jamaican music. Even though he migrated from his birth country, he never drifted too far away from Jamaican culture. He was always inspired by his mother Audrey and the rest of the family members, including some who are in the music industry, to go forth and realize his dreams. Soon he realized that music runs in his blood, and he started recording professionally in 2017 when he released his first song. From there, his journey continues, honing his craft and expanding, hoping to carve a name for himself in the industry. Alright, so the name of this artist in the industry. The name of this artist is Crossblood. Don't forget the name. Say it again. The name of this artist is Crossblood. Crossblood. Don't forget it. Check the artist material out right now and then leave your comment in the comment section below and let me know what you think about this one. Remember, the artist also will be reading these comments. So tell him if you should go forward or leave it all together. Alright? So we are going to do it over here. So SouFLoTV, man, they don't know. We do already know. Mr. Big Up Clarendon on my place that. Maypen and everywhere else in between. Alright? I'm out. Peace.
Show. Oh yeah, yeah. Gang. That 8. That is it, yeah. Sugar. Man, with the realest. She know about the shits on me. I keep that tool on me. Play with the realest, yeah. Yeah. Keep that bulldog on me. Yeah. It's all about the money. It's all about the money. And I'ma make it to the top. I don't care what your niggas wanna say. Say it's all about the money. It's all about the money. I'ma make it to the top. I don't care what none of y'all niggas wanna say. Say it's all about the money. All about the money. If you got money on your mind, nigga, I hope you feel me. Say it's all about the money. It's all about the money. And if you got money on your mind, I hope my niggas you feel me, yeah. I'm a done, so I show no compassion. I do my own mission. Sticks on the hand, dog, pay the opposition. They ain't gang man, like to pose, like to do it for the fashion. The man pull up on your block in the 4-door, ice up a boy with a 4-4. Cause a yard man think them no one no more. Man, that's hard for the summer. And if a boy violate me, I go pull up in at the Hummer. Wind down the window, shot it jump out. Watch him brain jump out, watch him lie on the floor and him brain leak out. Come on, a kid down, I come from South, you're not bad man, lick a priest when you hear about. When you hear yard man come, everything get shut down. Be out for the dollars of the pound. Tell a fake boy don't make a sound. My power with the realest right now, and if a boy violate out, his skin and get burned. Boy can't stop my paper. Yard, but how we a take it over. If a boy ever try this, me link guarantee everything I get fixed, yeah. Mouth my business, man try run up on me, I swear. Mouth my business, man try run up on me, I swear. Mouth my business, man try run up on me, I swear. It's all about the money, it's all about the money. And I'ma make it to the top, I don't care what you niggas wanna say. Say it's all about the money, it's all about the money. I'ma make it to the top, I don't care what none of y'all niggas wanna say. Say it's all about the money, all about the money. If you got money on your mind, nigga, I hope you feel me. Say it's all about the money, it's all about the money. And if you got money on your mind, I hope my niggas you feel me.
Alright, so don't forget, be on the lookout for the recording artist from the UK who is by way of Maypen Clarendon, right? The name of the artist is Crossblood. This is a promo. His official video will be dropping soon. His official video will be dropping soon. Stay tuned. Go out there and support the artist. I'll make him know, sir. We'll support him because he's one of us. Alright? It's SouFLoTV, man. I'm up out of here. Progress and productivity, we'll say, yeah? I'm out. Peace.